Welcome to the Security Alert channel, and today we're just alerting users of iPhones or any device running iOS of a zero-click exploit that exists. And actually, the researchers that found this say that this has been going on since February of 2021. So it is through iMessage that it actually exploits a flaw that actually makes it possible to simply gain control of any iOS devices. And this flaw, this exploit, has been demonstrated on versions 14.4 and 14.6. And these are 0-day, already exploited severe flaws within the device. So this is pretty crazy what's happening, and showing how it's important that, whatever device you're using, you could see that there's a lot of hacking going on, and shows once again, for people that think Apple devices are safer than any other device, just shows you that it is not the case. When you're targeted, you have as much possibility of being exploited than Windows and any other operating system. So be careful. It's mostly targeting groups in other parts of the world from what we see. But, the potential for having malware and having your device taken control of is, of course, important. So make sure that when you actually have your iPhone, to check regularly of security updates to make sure that updates are applied and fix the flaws. And of course, here we will announce when there are such updates available for devices. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.